Hello and welcome this afternoon. We're so excited you can all be here. We are excited to recognize our 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. We will be recognizing them for different areas. 3 of the areas will be for GPA. We have our Bronze Award for those students who received a 3.0 to a 3.49. And we also have our silver recipients who received a GPA of 3.5 to 3.99. Last, we have our gold honor roll students who received a 4.0. We will also be recognizing students for engagement and participation in specific subject matters. They may receive it, boys and girls, you might receive it for your elective, art, design, and build. You may receive it for band. You may receive it for PE, English, history, science, or math, or all the areas. So we will be recognizing students for engagement and participation as well. So let's get started. We're happy you're here. Thank you, parents, for joining us. For our Bronze Award, 3.0 to 3.49 GPA, we have Joel Alvarez. Our Silver Awards for 3.5 to 3.99 in 6th grade, we have Allison Bush, Jarius Carion, Brady Fitzgibbons, Ellie Fitzgibbons, Elizabeth, Karina Flor, Alejandro Gomez, and for our 7th grade, I apologize. Still 6th grade, Jimena Lozada Valencia, Janine Luevano, Rochelle Pham. For our 7th grade, Silver Academic Achievement Award, we have Leslie Acosta, Amy Benija, Quinn Hamilton, Jose Huerta, Aiden Ramirez, Giselle Saldivar, Oliver Villarreal. For our 8th grade students, we have Adrian Aguirre, Nathan Aguirre, Brandon De Arcos, Yadira Lopez, Alexander Perez, Francesca Sanchez Ramirez. For our Gold Awards 4.0, we have Justice Peoples, Allison White. In 7th grade, Jonathan Castaneda, Jack Fitzgibbons, Adrian Lopez, Adrian Palacio, Jason Velasquez. And in 8th grade, we have Lizeth Godina and Brenda Haro. We would now like to recognize students for engagement and participation in one or more of their classes. In band with Mr. Arenas, we have Brandon De Arcos, Alex Perez, Jose Manny Landeros, Jose Huerta, Jonathan Castaneda, Esteban Jimenez, Allison White, Rochelle Pham, Aiden Campos, Allison Bush, Adrian Palacio, and for Mr. Ellison's math, science, and we will also recognize a student in PE, 8th grade math and science. Adrian Aguirre, Nathan Aguirre, Brandon De Arcos, Sarai Gutierrez, Brenda Haro, Valeria Rojas, Joel Alvarez, Eric Blanco, Candy Cortez, Noah Gonzalez, Alana Salinas, Danielle Lopez, Leonardo Garcia, Alex Perez, Dylan Lalata for PE. In Design and Build with Mr. Ellison, we have Adrian Aguirre, Nathan Aguirre, Brandon De Arcos, Jarrett Diaz, Leonardo Garcia, Lizeth Godina, Sarai Gutierrez, Brenda Haro, Yadira Lopez, Hope Peoples, Valeria Rojas, Alyssa Sanchez, Francesca Sanchez Ramirez, Eduardo Sierra, Jenna Solano, Misha Valdez. For Spanish with Miss Gomez, we are recognizing Philip Aguirre, Esteban Jimenez Arasa, Samantha Tejada, Oswaldo Villa, Eric Blanco. For English and History, 8th grade with Miss Gomez, Hope Peoples, Brandon De Arcos, Eduardo Sierra, Valeria Rojas, Brenda Haro, Lizeth Godina, Francesca Sanchez Ramirez, Misha Valdez, Alexander Perez, Sarai Gutierrez, Eric Blanco, Jose Lara, Alana Salinas, Bianca Carlos, Noah Gonzalez. For Art with Miss Mesner, we are recognizing Leslie Acosta, Soraya Caldera, Adrian Banuelos, Maximilian Garcia, Jack Fitzgibbons, Justice Peoples, Allison Bush, Allison White, Aiden Campos, Jarius Carian, Elizabeth Fitzgibbons, Ellie, Brady Fitzgibbons. In Math and Science with Miss Moniz, we will recognize both 6th and 7th graders. Allison Bush, Aiden Campos, Jimena Lozada Valencia, Monaco Martinez, Justice Peoples, Rochelle Pham, Allison White. For 7th grade, Adrian Banuelos, Quinn Hamilton, Adrian Palacio, Aiden Ramirez, Hazel Villarta. In English and History with Miss Mullen, both 6th and 7th grade, we will recognize the following: Allison Bush, Aiden Campos, Jimena Lozada Valencia, Monaco Martinez, Justice Peoples, Rochelle Pham, Allison White, Adrian Banuelos, Quinn Hamilton, Adrian Palacio, Aiden Ramirez, Hazel Villarta, Soraya Caldera, Adrian Lopez. We want to thank all of you for working hard, boys and girls, for keeping up with your academics. We know some of you are going to be working even harder this third quarter, because we want to make sure that you continue to thrive. And again, just persevere, boys and girls. You got to stay motivated. We know this is not an easy task being online, but we know you can do it. Stay positive. And thank you, families. Thank you all for your continued support. This is not possible without you. And teachers, thank you for your continued hard work. Bye-bye.